You know, this town is boring even on an e-bike, bro. Not a whole lot to do here. I'm gonna die. Why are you so aggressive?
I said you can't see you driving in that thing.
It's okay, it's like a bicycle.
I know, but I'd hate for you to get hurt.
Okay, thank you, I understand.
I understand that from a mama.
Okay, I get
Dangerous little brats.
I get you, but hey, I'm being careful for you, okay?
Okay, but you know what? We can't see you. That's the
No,
problem.
I got lights, it's okay. Have a good rest of your day. Like, whoa! Where's the aggression from? I'm here to be nice.